Another optional component that comes with the system is what we call an EGS. It's an ejection guide sleeve, which is used for helping safely eject parts from the collet, mainly for an overgrip collet. As you can see, the overgrip's open quite a bit, so when the part goes to eject, there's pretty good risk of it getting caught between the fingers of the collet and damaging the collet. So we have what we call an EGS. They're available in a blank, which is just a solid piece of material, available in plastic, stainless steel, and brass. And what you do is you drill a hole through the EGS. That's just a little more than the diameter of the part that you're ejecting. And then the EGS threads nicely into the back of the collet. And now, when that collet opens up to eject, the part is being safely held here, and it falls right out without getting caught between the fingers of the collet.